We made it to our campsite, trying to set up.
Seems an adventure getting here, but
Hey, Beans. Hey, hey, hey. Gonna start a little fire here in a bit. The site next to us is empty, but it looks like someone's checking in. They have a little reservation thing. First time using that big old honking truck. Here's our little setup. And then we're gonna have us some barbecue in a little bit. Say hi. I told everybody it was the first time using the rig, the big old truck. So we're gonna go for a bike ride tomorrow. Let me go on the other side, which Al calls the business side. It's real pretty here today. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's so nosy. This a good boy. This a good boy. He's so excited. All right, love y'all.